Well, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and someone just left a comment on YouTube that this is actually Kermit from the Muppet Show. Whatever works for you guys. This is functionality proof for EBR75455701 YSUS board for 60-inch LG plasma. Today is the 3rd of November 2021, and the reason I'm making that video, there was something quite unique. I'm focusing on this so the customer can see that this is the board that they're getting back and not something else, and we're not falsifying. The reason I'm making that video is because oftentimes when that YSUS stain fails, it is because or causes buffer board to fail, usually the top one. Not always, but often enough, and that's why we want those buffer boards when the board is sent. And we will not be giving warranty in case the same problem happens with the board. A good look on the back of it will show we've replaced quite a few parts. Those are tough repairs. This is just to show you that it is working. It is working fine, and it will continue to work fine. We tested it for about 40 minutes. We just leave the audio to play and go work on other things. This is our own board here that comes out of the same TV. And again, this is the customer's. So be advised that board works. Make sure you double check for shorts on the buffer boards. And they're really tricky because those plasmas are old, and it's very easy to screw up the connections on the bonding on the flex cables to the panel itself. They're just aging. That is a problem. It can develop a problem on its own, but it's usually a problem when the boards need to be tested outside of the TV. They have to be handled extremely carefully. It doesn't mean that they will fail every time, but you gotta test those. Again, this is working fine, and this is how we will be returning it. Thank you.